What did Hiccup do?
Put marker on my nose.
Silly elf.
Hiccup. Hiccup do this on my bed?
Yeah, I guess while you were sleeping.
Oh, don't color on me. Don't marker on me. Cause that's my nose. Oh my god.
Okay, wait. I want to take a picture. Come.